Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit PDF file in LibreOffice Draw. If you want to do it, first you need to open PDF file, so I need to go to the left upper corner and I need to click on File tab. Then I need to select here Open tab, or use shortcut Ctrl O to do it. Now I need to select file that I want to open, so for example I will select this one file and I click Open button. How you see it has been successfully loaded to LibreOffice Draw. So if it is possible, you can try to edit this text. So for example, I will add here a simple word, like new or different word, but sometimes it may not be possible to change the text. So there is different method to do it. I recommend you to try it. First, we need to click somewhere outside the text and we need to go to View, Toolbars, and here we need to select Drawing Toolbar. So I click on it. Now if we want to edit word, we need to insert a rectangle, so I click on rectangle tool and I would like to modify this word, so I draw here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that. Then I press Ctrl and I scroll up to zoom in this text. It will let me to make it correctly, so maybe I will modify the dimensions of this box. Then I need to go to area settings and change color to white. And we need to change the line to none, so I select this one option. Of course, it will let you to delete borders from your rectangle. And how you see this text has been successfully deleted. So now we need to insert here a text box. So I click on this one option to insert text box and I will create a new text box here. Now I need to modify the font size. For example, I will change it from 24 to 15 and I type here few. Okay, this size is too large, so I will select it again and I will change it maybe to 13th and I will type here maybe multiple. Now I need to modify dimensions of this text box, so I will increase it and we need to change position of this text maybe to this one or maybe this one. Okay, and how you see your text has been successfully inserted and modified. So in this way you can easily modify text in LibreOffice Draw. Of course, you can repeat this action for another paragraphs. The good idea may be to insert a rectangle for the single rows. It will let you to modify easier text in your file. It is very simple method that I recommend you to know. So I recommend you to try it in your file. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.